Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you beef and broccoli recipe that's not only incredibly delicious, but also low in carbs. Ingredients: 1 pound of thinly sliced beef, 2 cups of broccoli florets, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of erythritol or your favorite keto-friendly sweetener, salt and pepper to taste, optional garnish, sesame seeds, and green onions. Wait! Before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Lion Weight Loss Supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Start by marinating the beef. In a mixing bowl, combine the thinly sliced beef, minced garlic, minced ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, erythritol, salt, and pepper. Boil a pot of water, and once it's boiling, add the broccoli florets. Let them cook for about 2 minutes, then drain and rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Heat a skillet or wok over high heat and add a bit of oil. Once it's sizzling hot, add the beef in a single layer. Cook for about 1-2 minutes on each side until it's nicely seared and cooked to your desired level of doneness. Return the skillet to the heat and add the blanched broccoli. Pour any remaining marinade over the broccoli and stir-fry for a minute or two until the broccoli is coated in that delicious sauce. Now add the cooked beef back into the skillet, give it all a good toss to combine and heat through. And there you have it, our delectable keto beef and broccoli recipe is ready to serve. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and chopped green onions on top for a burst of flavor and presentation. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Lion Weight Loss Supplement, click the link in the video description below.